In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an order from your account, even if you're working with a free trial. This is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you're comfortable with it and can easily replicate it when needed. First, you'll want to navigate to the Orders section of your account. While your account is currently in a free trial mode, it's important to get familiar with the interface and the functions available. Even if you don't have any ordered products just yet, these instructions will come in handy when you do. Once in the Orders section, you'll see a list of products that have been ordered. For those without any current orders, imagine scrolling through a detailed list and finding the order you'd like to manage. After you've located and selected the specific product you want to remove, your next step will be to initiate the cancellation process. This brings us to utilizing the More Actions button. It essentially functions as a drop-down menu that provides additional options about what you can do with the selected order. By clicking on More Actions, you'll reveal a menu designed to enhance your order management capabilities. Here, you'll want to select the option to Cancel Order. This step is crucial because before you can delete the order entirely, you've got to first cancel it. Consider this a safeguard against accidental deletion, allowing you to pause and confirm your decision. Once you've successfully canceled the order, look for the next option to permanently remove it from your system. It's important to locate and click on Delete Order. This ensures the selected order is not just canceled, but also removed completely from your records. This action will finalize your intent to clear the unwanted order and tidy up your account. Remember, this step is irreversible, so make sure you're certain you no longer need this particular order. And that's it. Following these steps will allow you to confidently delete an order even during a free trial period, giving you the practice and knowledge to handle this task efficiently when your account becomes active with Swage. With live orders, by familiarizing yourself with these processes, you become better prepared for managing orders as your account grows and adapts to meet your needs. Thank you for joining today. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps streamline your order management process. Be sure to check our other tutorials for more expert tips and easy-to-follow instructions on getting the most out of your account. See you next time.